Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have something new to show you, something new to me, hopefully new to you as well. It is from a company called Journal to Journal. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived at my post office. So I guess Journal and Journal sent this to me for review. So thank you for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Normally companies get a hold of me first. They let me know about their company. And then if it's something that I think is a good thing to bring to you guys, I'll respond to them, give them my information. I can get more information about the company, but this one just showed up. So I came to go check them out so I can get some information, and I went to my email instead of opening up like the Safari. They're like right next to each other, and this was actually an email from this company, the very first one. So things happen for a reason. So I guess I finally got an email today telling me that they sent me this. So basically they have a homemade stationery business based out of Texas called Journal to Journal LLC. They make unique and beautiful handmade products, and they have a monthly subscription. Looking at their website, it looks like you can get like a mini pack every month, or you can get one like a larger selection every quarter. And then there's also a one-time gift box. So you have two different options for the subscription: a mini monthly every month, or the full size every quarter, or you can do a one-time gift box, which we'll get into all of the pricing and everything first. That's what I do when I bring a box to my channel. The very first time, I like to go over everything. We can kind of know what to expect, and then we'll look at what's inside. Normally I get into the good stuff and then I tell you pricing at the end in case you don't know, but this time we don't know anything. So let's learn about it. Let's get a little bit more information about the company. We'll go over the pricing, and then we'll dive in and see what this box is. I'm actually really excited because I love journaling, scrapbooking, all of that kind of stuff. So let's see what this is about. The information about this monthly pack. The pack is a monthly subscription with free shipping and can be canceled at any time. Oh, so be free shipping to the United States. And if you hear anything, a storm is going to start coming through. So I hear Mother Nature making noise out there. Okay, so again, free shipping to the United States that can be canceled at any time. The July monthly pack and the August monthly pack is available while supplies last. You can receive 20% off your first pack by using the discount code FOUNDERS20. And then looking at their website, it looks like if you are wanting to go to the quarterly to get the larger box, only 4 of them per year, it looks like that one you can get 35% off your first quarterly box using the code FOUNDERS35. So you have those two different options if you want to do the monthly, the smaller pack, or the seasonal. There's 2 different codes. And then the cost for this monthly pack is $35 per month. And then the cost of the larger quarterly box is $78. So that would be $78 every 3 months. So there's only 4 of them per year. That one is valued over $100 per box, including 6 to 8 items. There's journals, notebooks, pens, stationery, office supplies, lifestyle items, special gifts, and again, free shipping for the US is on that one as well. And then this mini pack for the 35, you'll get $50 or higher as far as the value, receiving 3 to 4 items, the journal, notebooks, pens, special gifts, free shipping to the United States, and you can cancel at any time. The send a gift is $45 for a one-time pack. That one has 5 items: journals, notebooks, pens, special gifts, and free shipping to the United States. So if you know anybody who really likes journaling, that kind of thing, you can just send that one-time gift box, $45, free shipping to the United States, and you can gift them that, or do a monthly subscription or a quarterly subscription. It says our subscription box is the perfect way to get your creative juices flowing. Flow them juices. For those who love to journal or write, you can stay motivated and inspired all year by trying our subscription box or subscription pack. Either way would be a great way to stay organized and have fun while journaling or writing. Okay, so that's everything about the company. Those are your 3 different options to purchase from the company. And now let's go ahead and dive in. So this will be the mini pack, the $35, free shipping to the United States. It has their logo right there, journal to journal. And I'm actually excited to see what this is all about. Let me grab my scissors actually. And then it looks like everything is down inside of here. Yes. Okay, so let's get this one now opened. And they're all like wrapped up in tissue paper with their logo sticker right there as well. Ooh, okay. It says August pack. That's a big that's a big piece of paper all laminated just to say August pack. It reminds me of something you'd stand at the airport holding, like waiting. August pack? Anyone? Let's get into the August pack. That is really cool though that it is laminated. And here's a smaller one. This is laminated as well. And it says what's inside the pack. And it tells you there's a QR code. So I guess maybe you can get some more information that way as well. Let's see. I have my phone with me. Let me see. Oh, it just takes you to their website. So it'll take you straight to their website with that QR code. So it says handmade journal or notebook. There's not pricing or anything, but it does kind of give you a list of the 5 different items that is inside of this one. And again, it's on this laminated card. So let's start. There's 2 of these right on top. So let's start here first. Here is a pin. How cute. And then down in here, is this another pin? Yeah, I didn't even close the garage door, so hopefully it doesn't start raining until after I'm done filming. So they're both down inside of these little velvet bags that you can keep them in. This first one is just all white, and you just turn it to open it like that. And this one is a lavender purple color with like this fake little diamond at the end of it. And this one you turn to get it open. And then the color writing, they are both in black ink if you are interested. So here's 2 different pins. I do like that they come in little bags. Then we have is white tea wax melts. And let's see. It's not too strong, but I'm picking up on like I guess it'd be like the white tea scent. It does smell pretty good. It kind of reminds me of like a flower, a white flower that always has a really good aroma. That's what I'm kind of smelling, but my senses are all messed up. So there's some wax melts. And then there are two journals, and that's it. Everything that's in here? Yeah. Okay, so this first one, it's really pretty with this little image right here. And it has the spiral. And it's just all lined all the way inside. And then this one here is like this on both sides and all lined on the inside. So that's everything that's in here for $35. Yes, I know shipping is in there. So I have to try to remember shipping is included in that $35. But there's only 2 journal books, 1 thing of candle wax, and 2 pins. And that is everything for this August pack. What are you guys thinking? I mean, to be completely honest, like I always am with you guys, I feel that since these are both handmade, these are handmade journals and a handmade wax thing and just 2 pins, like these pins are actually even plastic. They're not even like metal. They're cheaper pins. I just kind of feel that, I don't know, all handmade stuff and then the cheaper little pins, I feel like there should be more stuff here for your value. That's just my own opinion. I know I do like that these are big, thick books though. A lot of the other journal companies that I've seen always send them maybe like half this size or even smaller. So I do like that there's a whole lot of pages in both of them. I just kind of wish that maybe there was 1 and not 2, so there could be other items to go in it as well. Journal prompts, some journal stuff, stickers, that kind of thing, even washi tape. That would be super cool and make like a nice little combination. But I just feel 2 books and 2 pins in that is just really not worth the price, especially being homemade. They're not like even thick covered. There's not like agendas and stuff in there. It's just plain stuff with lines. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. What do you think? If you want to check them out, you can definitely check them out. I will link them and those 2 codes that they have down below. If you would like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Again, let me know down below. Your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.